Hello guys, as you can see we have prepared a new container and it has been put in its place, and soon it will be ready to have new miners and everything will be ready. Let's keep going. As you can see, we are preparing for the next container. We are putting concrete for it, and let's show you something else. It's on place, so ready to work and serve new miners. Let's keep going.
Sorry guys, I need to stop a little bit to warm up. It's freaking cold here. Yeah.
And that was one miner M50S from 10 miners which we added this week. And as you see, like there is no filter because we are changing it. So soon we will put it back and everything will be fine. Let's continue. As you all see, that is all our old filters. We are changing it, so we removed and we will put a new one as soon as possible. And that was it for today, and wait us for next video. Bye bye.